Guys, does their work from home? Their homework? Yes, we do work at home. Yes, yes, we do it. No, I do not care. Mitchell! Why? Why, Mitchell? This learning at home is better. I do not care. Mitchell, please stop. You are not going to get smarter than me right now. Okay, so I'm 49. Can you go to the bathroom? Fine, but do not pull the fire alarm. You always pull the fire alarm. Yay! We're over here, viewers. Now let's head over here. Okay. We'll do it again. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Oh my goodness. This is so good, bro. Oh no, oh jeez. There's a fire alarm. Guys, I know there's a fire alarm, but don't worry. It might be someone pulling the fire alarm still. Oh crap. How is that? Good. What is so funny? Like everything's not that funny. Breaking news! Mike Wood always pulls the fire alarm inside this building. OMG! I watched the news and you pulled the fire alarm? You're suspended. No! I don't want to be that freaking suspended, you dummy. You stupid commuter person. You always yap like a mother trucker. That is enough. That you are not going to do that. No! I'm gonna crack you up. And nobody cares about you. Plus everyone hate you. Plus everyone will call you a Hey, how dare you? You talk me like that? How do you learn that bad word? You are suspended for another month. Son, I tell you, stop pulling the fire alarm. You keep pulling the fire alarm and now we have to pay $50 How are you so insane, son? I'm gonna give you a slap. Ow, that hurts. That hurts. Ow, ow. Ooh. Ooh. Come on, just shut the freak up, emotional damage. You always act like you're nothing. And you keep being mean. Plus, you literally pulled down the fire alarm. And now you have to stop doing this. It hurts. See, that is what happens. That hurts. That hurts. Why are you doing this? You are so evil. You are so evil, Dad. I am not so. You are so evil. You are so evil, Dad. I am not so evil. But you always make fun of me. You always make fun of me. You always make fun of me. Learn your manners. Learn better. You are not nice, son. We need to pay $50. You're grounded. See? You are acting too much. Oh my goodness. He's crying like that? God! He's literally flooding everything. Stop this! I am dead. This is so evil. Okay, viewers, so that's the end. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.